Hey everyone, how's it going? So if you haven't seen any of the trailers for the new Sonic the Hedgehog 2 movie coming out, or if you haven't seen the movie, you should know that Tails is going to be making his appearance in the film. So I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw Tails from the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Tails, I'm going to begin with the face. We want to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back like this. Next we'll do the same thing, we'll come down, and then we're just going to bring it back here. Starting here, let's make a line that comes down, and we'll do the same thing over here. Let's just make a line that comes down. We'll make a line across to connect. Same thing over here, let's draw a line that comes down on each side for the eye. We'll make a little line that comes across to connect. Next I'm going to make a little oval shape, and I'm going to color most of it in, leaving just a little bit white. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down, and I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then up. I'm going to make another one of those oval shapes right inside of here, and I'm going to color in most of it, just leaving a little bit white. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then we come up, and we're just going to leave a little bit of it white in there. Next we'll draw a little line that's just going to connect to the eye. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out, and we'll do the same thing on this side, just a little line that comes out. Make it come to a point and back, out to a point and back, and then one more here. Let's do the same thing here. We're just going to come to a point and bring it back, and we'll do that a couple more little times. Next I'm going to bring this line in, I'm going to go down, and then I'll bring it back up here and connect. I'm going to make a little line here, and then we'll make a little smiley face shape right there. And I'll add another little line right underneath there for the lip. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come all the way up here towards the top. Then I'm going to make it come to a point and bring it down. I'm going to make a little line that curves over. And right here, let's make his hair. So let's draw a line that's going to come up to a point and then back. Make another one that comes to a point and back. And then one more that comes to a point and back. Then we're just going to curve this line down, and I'm going to bring it down to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out up to a point, and then we're going to bring it back down. Inside of here, let's make a line that comes up and down with a little line across. And then right here, let's draw a line that goes to that hair point. We'll go up and then down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then I'm just going to curve it around. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. We're going to go over, and then we'll bring it up for his arm. We'll draw a little line that's going to go down, it's going to curve around, and then come back up here. Next, let's make a line that's going to come down and up, and then down and up like this. We'll draw a little curved line, and then we'll make a line that comes out and then in. Starting here, let's draw a line that goes down. We're going to curve around and then come up for his leg. We're going to make a little curved line here and then one more right here. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come down here. And then it's going to go back. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and up. We'll make those two little curved lines. Then starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go up and down. Then we're going to bring it back. Let's connect it here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. And then one more line that's going to go down and over. Right here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to curve around. And right here, I'm going to make a little line, and a little line inside of here like this. Now for his big bushy tail. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Make it come to a little bit of a point. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to come out. And then we're going to bring it back down to here. Next, I'm just going to add a little zigzag line on here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and we're just going to curve it right over here to the side for his stomach. Now for the shoes, let's just add a little line that comes across, and a little curved line down. And there you go, there is your drawing of Tails from the new Sonic the Hedgehog 2. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.